Now, the trade to withdraw challenge, I have 50 USD. I want to trade over 5 using the graphical analysis method. Just make sure that digit 5 is above 41%. Evo 2, just make sure that digit 5 is above 41%. So just change the volatilities, tuone kama tutapata digit 5 ikikuwa above 41%. We have one here. This is volatility 25. So I'll come here, pick my bot prof v1, set it well, volatility 25, 1s, that is what you're trading. I'm going to stake with 2.5 USD, stake to 2.5 USD. Then on my target profit it's only $10. Then hapo kwa prediction nitaweka 5 hivyo. So my bot is set, stop loss itabaki hivyo, martingale itabaki hivyo. So I'll go back again to my volatility 25, niweke graphical that way, then hapa kwa select digit niweke 5. So my digit 5 inafaa ikuwe above okay 41%, yangu iko 41.7. so entry point is when I see 3 or 2 unders UU. Okay, so I run the bot U1, that's a good entry. So it's a very good entry on the over 5 market. 2 or 3 unders, okay, will definitely give me a very good win on my over. And you can see the massive recovery on that part. We're only targeting 10 USD, then I quit the markets. Okay, I leave, not quitting. And ukiangalia payout iko best kabisa. Okay, so the graphical method ukiangalia isha print 10 yetu, it's a very good way to make your analysis if you have a weakness on identifying the green bar, the blue bars, and the most strong markets that you can always trade. So the graphical method is a simplified method that you can work with. You just make sure that digit 5 on this part here iko above 41%, increasing. So inatoka 41.1 inaenda 41.2. Entry point on graphical most of the time is a pattern based entry point method, whereby you just wait for 2 or 3 unders, that is a UU, then you join the market over 5. Okay, so the over 5 graphical you can still trade using a small account. That's why unaona napeana example na 50 USD, so just deposit 50 and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so graphical inapatikana wapi? You just come to analysis, then ukiwa kwa hii part inakujanga ikiwa default kwa circles, so just click on this arrow, then utapata different graphical analysis, then you are good to go. Okay, so that is one of the easiest and the best ways that you can always use to make your analysis. Okay, so I've been doing over 3, over 4, leo nimefanya over 5. We shall move upwards mpaka tuende kwa over 7, which are also very good markets when it comes to the payouts. Okay, so the strategy quite simple. Just make sure that digit 5 on the over percentages is above 41%, increasing. Okay, through that you are safe, because it means that if the digits are increasing, the percentages are increasing or gaining percentages, you are very safe to have the overs dominate, and through that you shall be making a few wins here and there. Number of runs, maximum of 4, and then you are out of the market. Remember, the rule is quite simple. It is better to wait for another entry than to wait for a recovery. Okay, and you can see the payouts. I'm risking 2.5 USD, then I'm getting 3.16. It's a very good market that you can always try and perfect. So kama uko na issue ya kuanalyze markets kwa candles, okay, uko na issue ya kuanalyze markets kwa the circles, okay, now here you have the graphical way whereby you can also be making your big wins. Okay, it's all the same. We are just making things simple for everybody to be able to trade. So you do not have any reason to say that you are not going to trade. Then here we have the price, then here it's our counter, over under the last the digits are being generated in the last data, 20 ticks. You can always see that distribution will equal. Okay, so we are working with the default 1,000 ticks for our statistics. and through that we are going to at least be at par with our markets. Okay, so ingia pale defentraders.site, go to graphical, confirm that digit 5 is above 41%, increasing in percentage, entry point, ngoja hapo uone 2u. Okay, hizi u unders ama 3 of them consecutive zikifuatana, then now join, just click run ukishaona hiyo confirmation. Okay, trade safely always, and make sure that you subscribe to the Defend Traders YouTube channel. At least through this utafanya to reach so many people. That is 50 USD, tushafika 60. We have already secured our 10 USD and we call it quits.